This is Electrical Circuit and PSpice lab. Third semester students are introduced with the basic concepts of circuit in this particular lab. They make small circuits and learn to implement various electrical theorems like superposition theorem, Thevenin's theorem and various other theorems in this particular lab. In this process, they also learn how to use various measuring devices and other electrical components.
Control System Lab is used by BTech, MTech and PhD students. Apart from various kinds of controllers which we are having in this lab, we also have advanced instruments like SCADA, PLC trainer kit. So in this lab we teach students various kinds of controller design so that they can relate theory with practical.
This is Power System Lab of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. This lab is funded by AICTE under MODROP scheme. It is used mostly by students of 6th semester and project students. Few of the experimental setup in this lab has been developed by students of our department.
In electrical and electronics engineering, the subject of machines is very much important and each student must be acquainted with it, because from electrical engineering's machines point of view, it is where we get to learn how electrical energy is being developed. In this lab, the students are acquainted with the wonderful world of machines, where they are given hands-on experience, hands-on process of how these various types of machines are working, and they learn from first-hand mistakes and their experiences about how to deal with various types of electrical machines that are available.
So basically this lab is dedicated for subjects which are related to programming and simulations. There are many subjects in the department where EEE students are introduced to programming subjects like C++, Java, all the subjects are there. In addition, there are also subjects which are specifically related to electrical engineering, such as simulation software such as Simulink, MATLAB and PSCAD, ETAP, all the softwares are there which are used. So students in the department can come and use those software, learn those softwares, for which this lab has been dedicated.
Measurement lab is a very crucial part of electrical engineering, where we learn the different measuring techniques of the electrical parameters like resistance, capacitance, inductance, as well as different industrial parameter like flow, level, temperature, pressure, pH value of solution, as well as different industrial parameters. Here we are also introducing the advanced measuring as well as controlling system. It is called programmable logic controller, where multiple parameters measured as well as controlled simultaneously using this system.
It is literally very impossible to list all the applications of power electronics, because it has found its way into any field wherever electrical energy is in picture. If you look around yourself, you will see the voltage regulators in your fan regulators, your air conditioners and vacuum cleaners. They all employ power electronics in one form or the other. And moreover, it has found its application in heavy industrial applications and automation. So this is Power Electronics Lab. Here the students are exposed to basic power electronic circuits, which gives them hands-on experimental knowledge to begin understanding power electronics at its core and its application.
This is Basic Electronics Lab. Here we are performing mainly basic electronics as well as analog digital electronics lab. In basic electronics lab, we mainly cover diode, transistors and different mode electrical components, their characteristics and their application. In analog digital electronics lab, here we perform the experiment over different application of operational amplifiers. This tool lab is working here as a base of any electronic based engineering.